Yeah, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast.
Can I run up the score, run up the board, breaking the mold? Ay, ay, walking the door. You know what happened? We step on the floor. Ay, ay, coming from on. You don't want problems, you already know it. Ay, ay.
All right, guys, welcome back. This time we're up at the Ravana Club and Zipline area, and up here is also the Little Adams Peak hike. So we took a tuk-tuk up to the top of this area. We're currently walking right through the tea fields, and we got a crazy view here. Check this out. So this is Adams Peak right here. All right, so we are walking the skywalk here in Ella, Sri Lanka, going up to the top of Little Adams Peak. Babe, give me your opinion.
Well, my opinion here is a little bit.
Does it feel safe?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Look at the cables.
Oh yeah. Look at the tea plantation over there. All right, so we're going to the top of Little Adams Peak. This is the skywalk. Basically, we're in a rope prison. All right, guys, we're almost to the top. Little Adams Peak here. So we did the skywalk, and it only took you about 3/4 of the way. So I'm so tired of hiking stuff. I feel like everywhere we go, there's more and more stairs. But as usual, I can only be thankful to be able to be here and be able to climb this mountain. So here we go. We've reached partially the top of Little Adams Peak, and now this is the view of Adams Peak. All right, so we have summited Little Adams Peak.
You already know I'm finna go do it. Ay, yeah, I'm locked in and I feel like Mark 10. Ay, walking to a room, chest up with my chin. Ay, already finished for this joint, even begin. Ay, when is what I am, I cannot ever pretend. Ay, yeah, never pretend. Ay, back in the lab again. Ay, you when I touching the friends. Ay, you when I touching the kin. Ay, putting the points on the board, I'm killing the boys, you know what it is. Ay, switching the moves, no number 2, I came in the win. They said I'm tapped in with the action, if it got the master on the master, I can never move passive. I'm active, I can make them go ghost on this cast. But wanna know who running it, just ask us. On the track, I'm gunning it, I'm blasting. This that gas and diesel shack.
All right, guys. Let's go. Let's see if they'll let us go down with this GoPro.
Platform is clear.
Platform is clear. Come forward. One step down.
One step?
You're going together now?
Yeah.
Sit down. Ready?
Diesel shacking dog.
You know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat.
attention, this is beast mode. Got an edge on the game like a cheat code. Had to tighten up my focus like a peephole. I want the rings and the chains.
So it was pretty nice. Okay, then what? Keep going. Alright, so we just did the zip line here at Flying Ravana, and it was awesome. Alright guys, well, pretty much wraps up our activities here in Sri Lanka. I think tomorrow on the way to Colombo, we're gonna hit a couple waterfalls, but we got a 5-hour drive tomorrow to hit our flight in the evening. Back to Saudi Arabia we go. If I had to review Sri Lanka, I think I would rate it at 8 out of 10. This place is absolutely phenomenal. It's got everything. It's got the beaches, it's got the culture, it's got the mountains, and the people have been absolutely phenomenal. Not one time have we been tried to get scammed or anything like that. It's completely different than most countries that we've gone to. So everywhere we've gone, there has been unmatched beauty and just really cool experiences. So if you haven't been to Sri Lanka, put it on your list and make a trip here. So from us here in Ella, Sri Lanka, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, never stop exploring. Peace.
Peace.
Change like I'm depot, picked up, walking, check my status, we established when it's show, time to squat, making plays, ooh it's magic like some, we want the smoke, y'all ain't really about that action, we got perfect off the practice, they ain't working so they lacking, I've been hungry all my life, I ain't passing up a plate, I can't quit until I win, I ain't having no debates, this is sacrifice.